Hey, I'm Nick, the CEO of Casa, and we give you maximum security for your Bitcoin. With Casa, you hold the keys, but you don't have to worry about loss or theft. So most wallets only have one key, and if you lose that key, you lose everything. But with Casa, you have multiple keys protecting one pool of Bitcoin. And so that means that if you lose a key, you don't lose all of your money. And when you want to move Bitcoin out of your vault, you use multiple keys at the same time to approve that transaction. It's a bit like using multiple keys to open up a bank vault. You have to put both in at the same time and turn both in the lock in order to get inside the vault. Casa always holds one key on your behalf, and you can use that as a backup in case you lose one of your keys. You manage all of this within the Casa app, and it's incredibly simple to set up. What's the best part? You and only you are in charge of your Bitcoin. No one else can get your Bitcoin, including Casa. But you don't have the traditional risk that comes with a normal self-custody wallet. So you can get peace of mind that your Bitcoin is safe because with Casa, it's simple to be secure.